One of the key elements of our virtual event is the artificial intelligence-based matchmaking, allowing you to connect with the most relevant industry peers. Once you're in the Attendee tab, you will be able to see your most relevant matches, as well as a full list of attendees and a selection of filters to aid your search. Once you find someone you wish to connect with, click on their profile, where you can either send them a connection request or book a meeting for a selected time based on their and your availability. Always add a short message. That will increase the likelihood of the meeting to be accepted. Once the meeting is accepted, you will receive a notification here at the notification bell. We encourage you to action all meeting requests, accept or deny, so your fellow attendees can proceed with their networking accordingly. You will receive another notification 5 minutes prior to the scheduled meeting time, reminding you that the meeting is about to take place. Head back to My Event, My Meetings, find the relevant meeting, and click this button to start the meeting at the agreed time. If you have any other questions, please email us at events@seatradecruise.com or connect directly on the platform via the live event support chat. Thanks for watching and see you very soon.